when you're studying quants, you have to have multiple rounds of preparation. So when you're planning your quants prep for CAT or any other exam, you might be giving SBIPO, you might be giving SSC, you might be giving other MBA exams, you might be giving CSAT, etc. Look at creating a very strong plans which includes multiple rounds on a chapter. So what happens in quants, when you visit a chapter for the first time, after maybe having visited it during a 10th, 5-6 years ago, what I see people doing is that they make a mistake of saying, okay, I'll just do it once and I'll be ready. It's not like a university exam, or it's not even like a school exam. In fact, even in a school exam and university exams, if you plan multiple rounds of your portion of what you have to do, you end up being much better at doing it. Let's say you look at your 10th standard results. Whatever percentage you got, I'm not talking to the toppers, of course. If you're not a topper, imagine you got a chance to do a 1.5 month round again on the whole portion. Would your percentages, would your grip of the subjects improve or not? The answer is obviously yes. So why should it be different in quantitative aptitude? Effectively, quantitative aptitude is about 18-20 chapters. So you have to plan around 4 to 5 visits on every chapter. Some chapters might not require 5 visits. Some chapters maybe get done by you in 2 visits, 3 visits. You will be ready for taking the CAT and solving questions in the top exams also. So some topics might not require you 5 rounds. Some topics might be just 2 rounds. But if I was in a place when I was planning, a plan has to be right? So if I was planning my attempt at CAT or any other exam which includes quantitative aptitude, my first plan would be, okay, 20 into 5, I'll study 100 chapters. I'll not study 20 chapters. I'm ready to come back to every chapter 5 times. हो सकता है कि 60 times मेरा हो जाए. I don't need to visit every chapter 5 times. Some chapters I need 5 and sometimes chapters I need 2 only. My average might be 3 visits to every chapter. But I'm ready for it at least, right?